Online learning materials are the cornerstone of blended learning. They provide the flexibility and depth that complement traditional classroom instruction. In this video, I will guide you through the process of uploading online course materials into the offer system. Additionally, we will allocate time for students to engage with the materials, referred to as the Student Learning Time SLT. In the previous video, I demonstrated the minimum requirements to achieve blended learning PTG. Now, we will move forward by adding course materials to the system. First, click on the Learning Materials tab. A best practice is to organize your materials by chapters. To do this, click on Add Topic. Once you've added a topic for each chapter, you can proceed to upload the course notes. To add notes, click on Add Note. Here, you can input text, images, links, and even YouTube videos. Let me show you how to input some text. You can easily copy and paste text from any source. To insert an image, you'll need to do this separately. First, find the location where you'd like to insert the image. Then click Upload Image. Browse for the image on your computer and click Open. Wait for the image to appear in the system. Next, consider the time your students will need to read and process the material. Once you've determined the time in minutes, enter this value in the SLT duration field. Finally, click Save. Remember to continue uploading course materials until the total SLT reaches approximately 900 minutes. Now, I will demonstrate how to embed a YouTube video as part of your course material. First, click Add Note. In the text area, type the instructions for your students to watch the video. You can also include any other relevant instructions you prefer. Next, you can format the text to make it look more presentable. Now, click on the source icon to prepare for embedding the YouTube video. This next step is important, so please pay close attention. Go to the YouTube video that you want to embed and click the Share button. Then, click on the Embed option. You'll see a code for embedding the video. Click Copy. Paste the code into the text area, just as I am doing here. Next, click on the source icon again to disable it. Voila! Now you can see the video.
Congratulations.
You can now add a title for the video. If you'd like to include any additional text or notes below the video, feel free to do so.
Do it. Go for it.
Next, determine the appropriate SLT Student learning time. For a 10-minute lecture video, the SLT is typically around 60 minutes. For a practical or tutorial video, the SLT may differ. However, as the expert on the material, you are best suited to make this decision. Finally, don't forget to click the Save button. Continue uploading materials until the total SLT is approximately 900 minutes. Remember to refresh the website to update the blended learning percentage. Good luck! In the next video, I will show you how to set up online activities in the author system. Thank you for watching.